Hi, my name is Robert Gil. I am 52 years old and I've been using Super Hair products, their pieces, for approximately the last 2 years. 2 years ago, I decided to use a hairpiece. I did a lot of research on the internet and I didn't want to pay super expensive prices at salons and at services. So I did some research and I found out you could apply your own hair at home. I've been losing my hair very early uh, in my life. In my mid-20s, I was actually going bald. So I always had my hair super short, or I would have the Caesar cut back in the 90s, which that covered up a lot. But you can only do so much. And one of the reasons I decided to do this was because I was still very active. I work. I went back to school. I was interacting with a lot of younger people, and people my own age, and they all thought I was older than they were. And I didn't like that too much because I was actually doing more and more active than the people around me. I was more frustrated with lack of having hair than caring about what people thought how it looked like. The first place I did get my hairpiece from was from a company, a private business, and they charged me a lot of money for what they call a mono piece. Mono piece, he guaranteed it was going to last maybe a year to a year and a half. You know what? It did last that long, but I didn't like the quality. The mono piece was very thick. The hair was very dull and brittle looking after a couple months. One of the early problems that I encountered was hair matching. As I'm getting older, I'm getting some gray, so I find that I have to carefully pick a color. So I did some research and I found Superhairpieces, and I decided to try a skin. I bought the skin. I enjoyed it. It's really thin. It wasn't noticeable. The hair quality was amazing. It was super soft. Getting the hairpiece put on and going that first day to work was very, very difficult and scary. I thought they're gonna look at me like who is this person? Look like an alien, and it doesn't look right. It looks fake. And actually, I was received very well by my coworkers. They couldn't believe it. They thought, "Wow, what'd you do? Looks good." I kind of try to look for people's reactions who didn't know me in everyday things, like going to the market, looking at the cashier. I would look at them, see if they're looking at my hairline or looking at me, or what are they looking at, or making funny faces. And that's just your self-consciousness of having a new look. And a lot of people just don't seem to notice or really care about that. My thought is, if you're thinking about getting a hair system, go ahead and do it, and do a lot of research. And the most importantly is the things that I found important are finding a good density. You don't want to get hair that's too thick. It's going to look too puffy. It won't look natural. It won't fall right. So I think one of the key issues with having hair and trying different products from Superhairpieces is you got to find something that you're comfortable or your life, depending on what time of year it is, season. During the summer, I like to wear a lace unit, and it feels just much cooler. And in the winter, I will use a full poly system or skin system. My next step in this journey with the hairpieces is to go more custom. I like the freestyle hair because the hair is soft. I can comb it anywhere I like it. But I think I'm getting to the point where I'm getting more picky. I'm starting to understand what looks better on me as far as density and color. So once you get more comfortable with your wearing a hairpiece and wearing a style and color, I go ahead and invest more money and get a custom piece. And that's what the stage I'm at now. I'm looking into getting custom pieces, and definitely it's going to be something more comfortable for me. The good thing is I don't have to buy baseball caps anymore, and I'm starting to throw a lot of them out, so that's a good thing. So just be confident and go out there and do it. I hope this helps, and good luck with that.